Find the value of sine 30 degrees cos 60 degrees plus cos 30 degrees into sine 60 degrees. Is it equal to sine 90 or cos 90? Given sine 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees plus cos 30 degrees into sine 60 degrees is equal to sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 plus cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 into sine 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, that is 3 by 4 is equal to 1 plus 3, 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Sine 90 is equal to 1. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, sine 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees plus cos 30 degrees into sine 60 degrees is equal to sine 90 degrees. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B is equal to sine A plus B. Given that tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Evaluate tan 15 degrees. Given tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Put A is equal to 45 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees. Tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to tan 15 degrees is equal to tan 45 degrees minus tan 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 45 degrees into tan 30 degrees is equal to tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 minus tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 into tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 LCM, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 divided by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 is equal to rationalize denominator, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square, that is root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 divided by root 3 plus root 3 whole square plus 1, that is root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square is equal to 3 plus 1 whole square, that is 1 minus 2 into root 3 into 1, 2 root 3 divided by root 3 whole square, that is 3 minus 1 whole square, 1 is equal to 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2 is equal to, take common 2, 2 into 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, that is equal to 2 minus root 3. tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3.